In previous classes, we have seen trigonometrical identities and we solved some problems in fourth exercise. Now we are going to solve some more problems in fourth exercise. See the problem. Prove that sine A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. For this I am taking LHS. LHS is sine A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square. See here, this is in the form of A plus B whole square. What is A plus B whole square formula? A plus B whole square is equal to, we know, A square plus 2AB plus B square. I am expanding using this formula. Here A square means sine square A plus 2AB is 2 sine A into cosec A plus B square is cosec square A. This is the expansion of sine A plus cosec A whole square. See the expansion of this cos A plus sec A whole square. Same I am using this formula only. A square is cos square A plus 2AB is 2 cos A into sec A plus sec square A, which is equal to, we can together write this sine square A and cos square A. Sine square A plus cos square A plus 2 into sine A into cosec A, we can write 1 by sine A. As we know, sine A and cosec A are inverse functions. Next is cosec square A, I am writing as it is, plus 2 cos A into, again here cos A and sec A are the inverse functions. We can write in place of sec A 1 by cos A, again sec square A, as it is I am writing here. See here, if we cancel sine A and cos A and cos A, we will get here. See this sine square A plus cos square A is equal to, we know, 1. This is the trigonometrical first identity. Cos square A is equal to 1. Here I am replacing sine square A plus cos square A by 1. 1 plus 2 into 1 is 2 here, plus what is the remaining function? Cosec square A. Here also 2 into 1 is 2 plus sec square A, which is equal to 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus cosec square A plus sec square A. What is the second trigonometrical identity? Sec square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. Or we can write sec square A is equal to tan square A plus 1. What is the third trigonometrical identity? Cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. Or cosec square A is equal to cot square A plus 1. Cot square A plus 1. See here, we are replacing this cosec square A by cot square A plus 1, which is equal to cosec square A, we are replacing by cot square A plus 1 by the trigonometrical third identity. What is sec square A? We can replace sec square A by tan square A plus 1. Tan square A plus 1. See here, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. What are the remaining trigonometrical functions? Cot square A as it is plus tan square A. Or we can write this as, which is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. See here, this is the RHS. This is RHS. Now we will see one more important problem in fourth exercise. See the problem. If cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k, then prove that cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. K square plus 1. What is the third trigonometrical identity? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. This is in the form of a square minus b square. What is the formula? A square minus b square is equal to, algebraical identity a plus b into a minus b. See here, this can be split like this: cosec theta plus cot theta into cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. What is given in the problem? Cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k. We are replacing this cosec theta plus cot theta by k. What is the remaining function? Cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. Or we can write cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. Here, what is the given thing? Cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k. And what we are find out? Cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. If we solve these two equations, if we add these two equations, cosec theta plus cosec theta is equal to, you'll get 2 cosec theta plus cot theta minus cot theta gets cancelled. Here we will get k plus 1 by k. See here, 2 cosec theta is equal to k plus 1 by k. Or we can write this as k square plus 1 in the numerator. 2 cosec theta is equal to, we get k square plus 1 by k. Or cosec theta is equal to k square plus 1 by 2k. We know cosec theta and sin theta are the inverse functions. In place of cosec theta, we can write 1 by sin theta, which is equal to k square plus 1 by 2k. Sin theta is equal to, now we will get 2k by k square plus 1. But we know the first trigonometrical identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. In this we know sin theta value. We are replacing this sin theta by 2k by k square plus 1. Whole square is there, that's why I am writing whole square, plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Here 2k whole square is equal to, we know, 4k square by k square plus 1 whole square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Or we can write cos square theta is equal to 1 minus, if we take that side, it will become minus 4k square by k square plus 1 whole square, which is equal to, LCM is k square plus 1 whole square. This is k square plus 1 whole square minus 4k square. Again in the numerator it is in the form of a plus b whole square minus 4ab. That can be written as a minus b whole square. See here, this can be written as k square minus 1 whole square. In the denominator already we have k square plus 1 whole square. This is cos square theta. Cos square theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1 whole square. This is cos square theta. Cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Hence we proved.